G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 21, 2023. This is the US S&P 500 update. As you can see here at a 50,000 foot view, we've got a all downward bearish momentum on the weekly, daily and hourly charts. So let's zoom into each of them. So you can see the CCI 150 is broken down below its moving averages, and it's currently resting at the 50% level of that Fibonacci range. So we could always bounce, of course, but at the moment it's still showing very bearish signs on our CCI. On the daily chart, likewise, both the CCI 150 and the 400 are both in a downtrend, no sign of reversal yet. In this Fibonacci range, it went up and bounced off the 61% level, which is always a key area to look out for. And since then, it's bounced back down and now approaching this minor resistance at 4,200. We did have a bearish divergence back here on the daily versus the price. It came down and hit our target, and of course it's broken right through to the downside of that. I'll just remove that, just make it a bit cleaner. So at the moment it's looking like a further decline, and it may actually break through this support line in the coming days. On the hourly, likewise, both bearish on the CCI. It was trending pretty much sideways for a number of days, but then it finally broke through to the downside. And you can see here on our last update, it was sitting around the 61% level, which is always a key area to look out for. It's either going to bounce from there or break to the downside, and actually broke pretty convincingly to the downside in line with the larger time frames. At the moment, as I said, on the daily, it's approaching this support line at 4,200. So where it stops, nobody knows, of course, but we'll keep an eye on it and see how it goes. But again, looking at the daily, it's currently sitting on that resistance, on that support, sorry. And let's just see what it looks like on the bigger Fibonacci range. If I draw one from that low to that high, you can see there it's currently sitting at the 50% level, and if it could always bounce off this 61% if it breaks through this support. Otherwise, if it breaks below the 61%, we're going to see much further declines on the daily. So I'll keep an eye on it, let you know how it goes in the coming days and hours. So again, if you got value out of the video, hit the subscribe and the like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.